So how to clean the litter box the right way? The question is, shall I use bleach? Shall I use soap, deodorize? Because the box, the plastic, it smelled bad. What shall I do? Hello again, it's Martin. So how to clean the litter box, this plastic, after it become like all dirty here and it didn't look nice and you don't like it. So here's the way. Take a bucket, take all the litter from here and put it in a bucket. Don't throw these things. This is a gold. Will save you so much money you cannot even imagine, because you take the things here. This one contains the cat smell. Take it, put it here. Now it's empty. Take the plastic, go to the bathtub, hot water. That's it. No soap, no deodorize, no enzyme, no bleach. Don't sanitize it. Don't put Chanel 5. Don't put all the scrap. The cats didn't care about it. You clean it for yourself because you want it to be clean. So clean it so the cats will like it. So take the litter, the box, good. If you need a brush, brush it good with the hot water. That's it. Take a towel, wipe it up, dry it good. Take the old one, put it back again. Put it back again. Done. 2 minutes it takes. Finish the job. The cats will love it. It's clean. It's clean for you because the cats didn't care if here is not so clean. She didn't care about it. That's it for today. How to clean the litter box the right way by PetPeePee. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. I have more video that's coming on. Dog, cat, Oriental rug, area rug, how to clean it, many more. Thank you.